Okay, so now I'm going to show you a bit of a different way to do the dovetail member and then cut a bit out. So we've got this lap dovetail number 13, which we're working on. So up the top right, I'll drag this off first. Top right, we're going new, metric, standard millimeters, create. Starting a new sketch, and we're going to start creating our dovetail that we can then cut out. Oh, I didn't mean to click on that. That was a mistake. Sorry. Line. So same kind of thing, is still 30 down the bottom. We're still going up 50. Still going to go across 30 and then down. So we have our outside square. Another way we could actually I'm going to delete these. So we know that, so we've got the base 30. We know that if we go up, we're taking 10 off 50, so it's going to be 40. So if we go line, we can go up here and we can go 40. We can then go across 10. We can then go over here and then come across 30 down to there. That needs to snap to the bottom there. And then after I've done that, so I can actually move this in a little bit because I've stuffed that up. Okay, so you can see there we've got a very ununiform dovetail. So we can fix this up though, so double checking that that's 30. And we can also double check that this is 10. And then finally we can double check this one here is 10. So now we've got all of it dimensioned and we've got all of it set up, and we can extrude that and then cut out the next section. So 3D model extrude, and we're extruding that 20 still, just like the previous one. So now if you did want to do this and you're starting from here, so I could still go back into part 12 and do this next part, so you don't have to redo it. But what we're going to do is cut halfway through for this top section. So we're going to left click, create sketch, rotate this around, and what we're actually going to do is just trace the edge of this, because we need a completed shape to then cut out. So that one's all selected. We're cutting it halfway through, so this is 20, so we're going to extrude or extrude this 10. And cut, and okay. So now if I swap this around, I think it's just like that. Let's move him over a little bit. You can see there, we've got our same shape as we've got up here, so that's all ready to go. Hopefully that's a little bit of a different way that you can do it. There is still more ways that you can do that, but that's the way that I would do it. So now we're moving on to number 14.